going to show you a little trick of how you can convert images to PDF using Photoshop. First, I use the Acrobat Professional. It's a bit slow for me because I have to select all the images, combine files in Acrobat. It's loading, wait for it. Okay, after combining, you have to select all and combine. For me, I think Photoshop is a bit faster doing the same thing on Photoshop. This converts it to image. I scanned a couple of images just for the purpose of this video. So you have this, you have your PDF ready. So the file size might be a bit big, so you can optimize it when you are saving it or something. Okay, let's see the Photoshop method of doing the same thing. So for Photoshop method, if you open your Photoshop, I'm using Adobe Photoshop CS6, File, Automate, PDF Presentation. So you browse to the location of your image. Where is it? Okay, these are the images. Select all of them, save. I could save them back to the same location. Okay, let me just give it anything. Save. You can reduce the quality to smallest file size, and it will do its thing. Optimize it. Okay, let me save this also to see the difference. Save as. Where is it? Oh shit. Okay, binder one, save. Okay, let's see the difference. The binder gives 13 MB, this one gives 4 MB, so we can open it and see. So the binder, I think I still prefer this Photoshop method because it's faster. I can run even if it's 1,000 pages or more, I could just run it and leave it and everything. I don't have to do any other thing again. It does its own thing. So that's basically it on this video. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. Bye.